once you use your setting spray, that's if it's like, oh. Are you still falling for this common makeup myth? Think you've heard it all when it comes to makeup. Think again. Today's video, we are exposing the biggest makeup myth that every beginner needs to stop believing. From bad blending to skin prep and skincare, these shocking truths will totally change the way you view makeup and the way you apply your makeup. Get ready to unlearn, because on this channel we are here to unlearn, to learn and relearn. Okay, so without much further ado, let's get into the video. Number one makeup myth on my list is makeup causes acne. Like, girl, be for real. Seriously, makeup does not cause acne. While certain products can clog your pores, makeup itself is not the direct cause of acne. It's very, very essential to apply your makeup with clean brushes, not dirty brushes, because if you use this to apply your makeup, you still have existing bacteria on this brush and it is going to clog your pores, which will in turn cause you acne. You need to make sure that your brushes are very, very neat. Do not use dirty beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is neat, not dirty. Neat. And also ensure that you take off your makeup at the end of the day. I've been hearing things that people carry their makeup for 2 days and sis, your skin is going to thank you. Always make sure that you take off your makeup at the end of every day. Then the second myth on my list is the more expensive it is, the better. Girl, high price does not mean high quality, please. Makeup is in the application. Makeup is 50% product, 50% application. Even if you buy expensive products and you don't use it correctly, it's not going to look good. Even if you buy high-end products, Fenty, Huda Beauty, MAC, if you don't apply your foundation properly, if you don't do the necessary skin preps, your foundation is still going to cake. It is still going to be cakey. The key is to find products that works for your skin type, that suits your skin tone, regardless of the brand or the price tag. Another makeup myth that I want to debunk is oily skin don't need moisturizer. Like, seriously, the work of a moisturizer is to hydrate. Finish. Whether you're oily skin, whether you're dry skin, whether you're combination, whether you're whatever, you need hydration on your skin. So regardless of your skin type, you must moisturize. So even if you have oily skin, all you need to do is to get moisturizers that are targeted towards your skin type. If you don't apply moisturizer and you be like, oh, okay, I'm oily skin, I don't need moisturizer, and you go ahead to apply your primer, your skin is going to overcompensate for that moisture that is lacking, thereby producing more oil. So you see, even if you're oily skin, you do need to hydrate your skin with a good moisturizer targeted towards your skin type. So yes, oily skin girlies, you need moisturizer. Yes. So the third on my list is, this is a bit controversial, but makeup does not expire, or makeup expires when it has finished, or makeup stays for 10 years. No, every makeup product has a shelf life, and a shelf life is totally different from the expiration date. You can see a makeup product that was produced in, for instance, 2022, and the expiration is 2024. It means that if that product is not opened at all, it can stay till 2024. But the minute you purchase that product and you open it, it has a shelf life. It could be 9 months, it could be 6 months, it could be 3 months. And when you use expired products on your face, it causes irritation to your face, to your skin. That is when you now start saying, oh, makeup causes acne, oh, this, that. When sis, you're the one hurting your skin. So always endeavor to check the expiration and the shelf life to know that, oh, okay, once I open up this product, it is going to stay this amount of time. The next one on my list is, you don't need a primer. I've been seeing videos going on TikTok, TikTok girlies, you don't need primer. Primer is basically sticky. It helps your makeup, your foundation grip to your skin. So another makeup myth I want to debunk is, If you're wearing a red lipstick, you should have a nude eyeshadow, or if you're wearing a very bold eyeshadow, you should settle for a nude lipstick. While I think that is not entirely true, it is all about balance. You can wear bold eyes and red lipstick and it is still going to come out perfect. Just master your colors and master your angles. So long as you blend everything perfectly and all the colors are sitting pretty, sis, you look good. So the bonus point that I want to say is blend, blend, blend. Girl, if your hand is not paining you, you're not blending. No. Makeup is all about how well blended it sits on your skin. So while you're trying to achieve a perfect flawless makeup, it all lies in your blending skills. If you apply your foundation and you don't blend it perfectly, it's going to create an even line. It's going to create that harsh line and it won't come out perfectly. So blend, blend, blend. Another bonus tip is you need setting spray. Yes, you need setting spray, because as you apply your foundation, your powder, all those things on your face, it is going to be sitting on your face. But once you use your setting spray, that's if it's like, oh, like, you know, it calms down and sinks into your skin perfectly. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to one or two persons. I hope I was able to, like, you know, debunk one or two that you've always had in mind. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment section and I'm going to definitely answer you. Like, comment, share this video to, you know, people that have these doubts on their mind. Okay, share this video, all my glam girlies. All right, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe. Bye guys.